Gimikwenden, do you remember? Gimikwenden, chalk hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimikwenden, stone escapes from moonwashed college halls. Gimikwenden, cherry blossoms in the market square. Gimikwenden, I thought it was confetti in our hair. Eh. All right, Mino Gigajeb, Ni Janashanabe Dog. Good morning, my fellow Anishinaabes. And yeah, I just thought, Gimikwenden, do you remember? And I was wondering if anybody remembers that song. It's a pretty old song. Do you remember? Yeah, so I thought today might be a good day to do some review. See what you remember. Like this here, right here. What is coffee in Ojibwe? Gimikwenden, that's right. Muckety mush kiki wabu. Muckety mush kiki wabu. And if you don't remember, what do you say? For some of you diehards who've seen all the videos, you might remember. This is how I remember how to say I don't know. Let's say your girlfriend comes up to you and she's all like, "Hey baby, do you think our love will grow?" And you look at her and you say, "You're asking me, will our love grow? Gawin in Gakain dancing. You stick around and it may show. Gawin in Gakain dancing." Eh. Oh yeah, I like to, I like to put these words to songs. It's easier to learn words if you sing it. Do you remember? Gimikwenden, chalk hearts melting on a playground wall. Gimikwenden. Yeah, so let's see what else. Do you remember the Ojibwe word for white person? And I'm not just talking about like European, the non-native people from here. What do we call them? Gimikwenden, Gimikwenden. We called them long knives. That's right. Chimukaman. Chimukaman. When they came over, they had these swords, and we were like, "Oh, wow, that's a great knife you got there. That's a really big knife. We're going to call you Long Knife. We're going to call you Great Knife because you're our new friends. And so we'll call you Chimukaman." And sometimes kids will get after me. They'll be like, "Hey, Nana BOOZHOO, you shouldn't say Chimukaman. It's racist." I'm like, "Dude, it's not racist. It just means long knife." I mean, if you say, "Hey, you dirty chamok," that sounds kind of racist, but who's going to do that? Nobody. All right. Well, you know what? That's probably enough for today. And so, Gimikwenden, do you remember? Gawin Ningakain Danzin. I don't know. You can also say a manjisa. I don't know. Manjisa. Makere mashkiki wabu chimukaman. All right. Well, hey, I better get going here. I gotta make some more coffee. You have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast, the early morning podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And I've been your host, Nana BOOZHOO. I will see you again. Kigawaba min minawa. All right. Yeah, that's a good enough for today, I guess. Kigawaba min.